Morning everybody, hope everybody's well, or afternoon, wherever you are. Video for you, because I haven't managed to do one for you for a while because my phone's not been right, so anyhow I've got fixed up my new phone so I can start putting your stuff on. As you've seen, I've put your various bits and pieces on. It's been a bit of a funny old week because I lost my cat. She got run over, she got hit with a car and killed, so I mean, I don't think she suffered roads, I think it was like sudden, but to be honest, I mean, they don't have best of road sense to cats, they'll just tend to dash across. We've got like a side of units here, there's like a main road goes down to a factory, and she probably just got caught with something, and that's the end of that really. I mean, it's such a shame because she was such a lovely cat, but these things happen, and that's what, that's our life is, to be quite honest. Well, that's my opinion anyway. I mean, I will miss her because she was a lot of fun, and she was, as you saw from the other video, she was into everything and all about everywhere. But anyhow, getting back onto like your cars and stuff, obviously, I mean, people have been passing a few comments and bits and pieces. I notice you've all been looking at stuff, but we're just an old-fashioned workshop, really. I mean, we're more like something from 70s, to be quite honest with you. We're, well, I'm going to let you have a look round because you've seen some at cars. I mean, there's like 3 restores left in workshop that, I mean, there's this MG here. That's more or less done. Bonnet's there. A bit of luck, that could be gone at end of week. There's an Ely just at that in front of me here, and then there's an old Anglia what's behind me, and chassis over here. So I'm going to let you have a look round, and then you can see what's what and what's in workshop. Because I mean, I'm just old-fashioned workshop. I've got loads of spares. I mean, I'm not a big buyer of all new bits and pieces, so we're quite environmentally friendly. We just purely bring things back to life. Like, you know, we're a big clean-up, but when we've done a car, we can make a car last a hell of a long time. So, you know, I mean, all this environment thing about get rid of your old cars and all good, they're bad for the environment. Well, they've been about for 50 years, so they can't be that bad for the environment. You have to remake them, you know, so they're worth sorting out properly and using, because they're perfectly usable. They all can be perfectly good daily drivers. But I'm going to let you have a look round anyway, and let's see, and then you can see. It'll be funny walking about with that whole multitude about, getting into everything, but that's how it goes, I'm afraid. But anyhow, here we go. So, I mean, this is a 54 Anglia. I mean, I think they only made them till 53, but this one must have been, I mean, it's off its body. I mean, you've seen Zodiac that's there. You've seen that loads of times. I mean, it's obviously, it's a very good shell, so that's just got to go back onto the chassis here. Now this chassis, engine's been fully rebuilt. You know, she's got new tyres, all the brakes done, every part of running gear is sorted so a guy can use it. It's a little 8 horsepower. I mean, he lives in Reading. I mean, whether he's going to drive it around, he might cause a few horns to get pipped at him in Reading, but it will drive about, it'll do what he wants it to do. I mean, so we're putting an heater in it, ask for an heater, we've got an heater somewhere. In fact, it's here. It just runs in line with top hose, and then you just, obviously, it just blows into the cabin and makes some tears, so as air's flowing through, it takes a bit of heat into the cabin. Bit prehistoric, but it will work. I mean, we come further down here, I mean, well, we've got MG, you've all seen that, that's covered up because I've been stone chipping on another car, but bit of luck, end this week, we should be able to get that out of the way, so that's gone. Last few bits have come. I've just been waiting for some Fairflex spot windows, and they're telling me that's in stock now. And then going over to Jensen Ely, as you can see, I mean, this full mixed paint look a bit orange. Well, it's just probably how it is. I mean, I might have to get used to it and adjust it, but it's all stone chipped up in here. I mean, it'll get its red. It's going to be tartan red, and obviously all in boots, all sorted out, and you know, I mean, this is a well through cut. So still a few bits to do on thing, but I like to get them down onto the wheels. And I've got some new pieces made for top to these wings. I mean, they're here. And what that's for is I've got my final adjustment on front end. I can adjust it when it's on its wheels with wings and with door gaps and get everything perfect and spot on. But I've had to remanufacture the low end of this stuff. I mean, straighten all front end down. It were all over. I mean, you come down, I mean, it's had new floor pans. I've shown you a video before when it were in its epoxy. I mean, obviously it's just going through phases. They look a bit different colours here and there. I mean, you think keeping these bright orange hubs, they're going. I mean, all stone chip.
all done, all diffs all done, all suspensions all sorted out. Putting some new shockers on it, but what I'll do while it's like this, I'll get all brake pads and fuel lines fixed in, and then we sorted. I might even put gearbox in, then I can get to it easy. And I'll sit it back down on the wheels, line it all up, and everything's sweet. I mean, as you can see around workshop, I mean, they at wings for Anglia here, they at back wings. I mean, rear wings for Anglia are over here. I mean, there's spares everywhere. I've been collecting stuff for years and years. It's been my passion all my life, this. I mean, they are Mach 4 back quarters. Well, I've got some more besides that. There's scuttles, back panels, inner wings. I mean, I've loads of stuff to rebuild Mach 4s. I mean, up here there's even MG roofs here from an old car, because a lot of them have asked doing some inner wings. There's some Essex engines, a 6, a V4. You know, obviously you've seen Little Wolseley on it. But as you can see, we're just like a old-fashioned workshop. And I mean, there's some XJ40 Daimler wheels over there. I mean, I've got a nice XJ40. I'll do you a video of that. It's one of my own cars, and they're not metric wheels, so they're a bit unusual. Come round here, we've got 100E wings, Essex heads. That's Ford Popham Anglia, Sit Up and Beg, Rads, Dynamos. I mean, I've got all sorts, and there's another place over the side, and obviously there's all my blasting gear here. That's my compressor, Hydrovane. Box pan folder, polisher over here. Got obviously a drill press, bead roller, wheel, linisher, brake press, little hammer. You know, there's not much I ain't got, and I mean, we just, like I said, we're old fashioned, but I just like to keep things standard and keep things going. That's how I like to work. So, but I've given you a look around now, and like I said, now I've got my phone sorted. You know, there's an old Merc wing there. I mean, there's some more Mach 4 wings up there. But now I've got all this sorted, and this phone's back in action. I'll be able to post you some more videos. I'll do you some right cars, and I'll keep you posted on what I'm doing. And as I've said, we're finishing off these bits and pieces, and then I'm getting onto some of my own cars, which you'll be able to follow all the way through. Some of them will be for sale, so if anybody are interested, they'll be perfect for daily drivers. They'll not be the cheapest cars, but they'll be some of the best cars, I can assure you of that. But that's enough of me going on. I mean, if you like what I do, give us a like. If you want to subscribe. I mean, I still don't 100% understand how this Facebook works, but I just want to keep cars alive, and I know it's not Facebook, YouTube, sorry. And it's just something that'll help keep these classics on road. So, like I said, give us a subscribe and give us a like if you like what I do, and I'll keep you interested in them. Thanks very much. Bye for now.